So tuende kwa sasa. And then how do you like my top?
Azungushe moja.
Hii ndio box ya kwanza yenye tunatoanisha. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. It's Even doing the evening here. Hello, and if you're a returning subscriber, karibu sana. Now, if you see me in the morning, hii masaa kwanza, it's close to 7. No, it's oh my gosh, where has time gone? It's 7:30 saizi. Mjue kuna kitu nzuri yenye inakuja kwa screens zenu. So today we have a very huge consignment yenye inakuja, and yeah, nishatuma messages, so na expect mzigo ikuje in town probably in the next 1 hour or so ndio tunaenda tao tuende tukafunguanishe tuone ni nini, but I'm suspecting some of the things zenye nilitisha nikiwa China zimefika. Some of the items zimeanza kufika, na hii wiki, well, probably the whole of this month it's gonna be mostly unboxing. Juu vitu zenye kujeni mtu patronize guys. Kujeni mtu patronize. You're gonna get amazing stuff, you're gonna get quality stuff, you're gonna get beautiful stuff zenye zitakuwa zinakuja, because your girl, yeah, we did good when we went to China, so we are expecting some good fruits. Sindio, when you labor hard, you expect to harvest hard. So tell me why my SD card is telling me it's full. Anyway, let's head to town. Yeah, expect some very nice goodies to come to your screens, and then mkuje kwa duka so that you can patronize us guys. Yeah, so huyo mzee ananiambia bado hajatoka. So by the grace of God, by the time we are getting to town, they are gonna be there. Hopefully. Hallelujah. Hopefully. Na leo I haven't had breakfast. Literally, I've not had anything asubuhi yote. I want to be somehow fasting-ish. If that makes sense. I don't usually take breakfast every now and then, but once in a while I do. Kama usiku sijakula, but usiku I did have something very healthy meal. Nilikula minji, ilikuwa na mbosho, ilikuwa na nyama na cabbage. That's what I had last night. Nowadays I'm trying to keep off carbs. So yeah, let's head to town. I'm finally in town. So tuende kwa sasa. And then how do you like my top? I think it makes me look so elegant. Inakaa poa. I think I love it. No, I don't think I love it. I love it. Kwanza the color when I saw this green. And then it had some other very beautiful colors. Ni vile tu sikuwa nataka mingi of the same design. But now I am thinking I should have gotten other colors. Like what? This is so beautiful. It's so classy. Alafu nimeivaa na jeans. Okay guys, tuende tupatane kwa shop, because that's where I'm going right now. Do I look unrecognizable? It's because I've just done something. The lashes. Remember, I've been wanting to do the lashes for so long right now. Yeah, anyway, lori imefika hapa.
Sometimes it's hard to tell, so you may not be in the mood to learn.
Busy day. So we are packing orders. Hizi ni orders na zingine ziko nje. I still haven't unpacked. It's past 12. But we are working on that, dispatching like every other order. Vitu mingi zenye zimekuwa na zingine zenye zinafika saa hizi, so that they are dispatched, because so many other goods are coming. But hizi nilikuwa nimeitisha just before I went to China, so probably by next week mingi zitakuwa zinakuja, but who knows. Let me show you some of what We have here.
You think you know. There are times when I find you wanna keep yourself from me. When I don't have the strength, I'm just a mirror of what I see. You are love. You're a positive, motivating force within my life. If you ever feel
Na meantime ndio mtu asisahau ni kala gani mtu alikuwa ameitisha, ama rider sana sana asi confuse hizi orders. Hii ndio box ya kwanza yenye tunatoanisha, and it has the dual bowl set. I'm just gonna show maybe just one piece. Muone vile inakaa, but it looks really nice. We love the quality, amazing quality. Niekele hiyo nini yake funiko. Yeah, okay, it should look something like that. It's gold and beige. Only comes in two colors, either the beige or the black. But yeah, your set. Sasa kuna hii which I'm hoping ni ginger shot bottles. No, oh my gosh, I had even forgotten about this. Hizi ni 4 pieces glass storage containers za kuweka food kwa fridge. Si mnazikumbuka? Hizi zime restock. They are the glass storage containers zenye ziko na bamboo storage. Okay, guess what? Ginger shot bottles zimerudi back in stock. Ndio hizi na ziko in plenty. If I tell you the number of calls nimepata just this week alone wakiitisha ginger shot bottles, it's so much. So zinakaaga hivi, they usually glass, and then inakuja na hii cleaner, brush cleaner, inakuja na hizi funnels tatu, inakuja na kalamu and the stickers. That's how it looks like usually. Okay, we have about 8 pieces of this. Ni 8 ama ni around 8 to 10. Ya hii enamel cast iron set. So, yeah, kuna hizo.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
It's the 11 pieces set.
Yep.
So hii inaenda delivery to saa hizi. Ndio ulikuwa unaniuliza nini? I don't know. Labda zinatakiwa. So I don't know what this is. Hey, unakumbuka kale kanini? Ka storage container kenye nini? Sikuwa nakumbuka hata mimi. Look at this. This is a storage container. Haki vile imepakiwa. Goodness. Inayo wamejaribu kuipack. Imekuja na kabox kake. So this one you put there. So it's like a love heart and then it's partitioned. How cute. We love this one. Finally, we're back in stock.
Bye.
Oh my.
Kweli si.
Stanley lids na zimekuja na colors mingi. Colors mingi, kuna black, kuna navy blue, kuna blue green, there's pink, there's purple. I think there should be another box. There's white. Wow. In another box, we have the normal version that we have been bringing for so long right now. So here he may be back in stock. So it's back in stock. Oh, thank God. Kumbe ziko hapa. I was wondering kwani ziko wapi. So this one is also back in stock. Hapa ndio I think kuna pink na purple. There should be pink too. Oh, there's also another color. This is a beige. Oh, the pink looks so hot. Pink inakaa fiti. Wow. Yeah, those are the only colors, I believe. About 7 colors for the Stanley lids. Back in stock. Yes. Next item ni hii storage box. But ni ile ya kupangia makeup. I think it's like a 3-tier. Nimejaribu kufungua moja. Ni ile ya bafu ya kupangia makeup, tissues and everything. I'm gonna share a screenshot of how it looks here. Ama tukiconnect nitachukua video. We are just happy over here. So the other item ni hii. This is a dispenser, so the dispenser ya fridge. See how huge this thing is. It's so huge. So soda ikiteremka ukimeweka vibaya, I think inafaa kukua hivyo. Soda ikiteremka ama ikienda kuisha, so you pick the one that's here down. Yeah, perfect. I need this, but na niko na space, but sinunuagi soda, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. But hizi pia imefika. The other item that I unboxed without you guys ni hii. Hiyo ingine ni hii yenye sijaonyesha. You can place your perfumes, you can place your oils kwa bafu ama uweke kitchen, depends with you. But this is acrylic 3-tier stand ya 1800. Oh, I haven't been mentioning names, prices by the way, but in ya 1800. So we continue to unbox. Yes. Hii imerudi back in stock. This one is the acrylic milk containers, ama unaweza weka juice for fridge. Back in stock, the clear one. We love that. We actually love that. Perfumes organizers back in stock as well. So many camera could disappoint Leo. Anyway, the other item is the what is it called? Hii ya kuweka tea leaves, tea bags or vitu kama hizo. You can come to the shop and get it from us. This is already back in stock. The day is almost over. Na bado hatujamaliza kufunguanisha. We are probably maybe, but we are almost. Next item sijaonyesha ni hii. This is an egg tray. Nilionyesha hii? No? It's kind of confused. The egg tray, it has some very nice design. Do you see that design? Very cute. Like it's textured kiasi and then it's white in color. You can hold 32 pieces. Egg tray. Yeah. Anyway, here is the come 1500. You're looking for one. Quality tea acrylic. Kuna hii hizi for 60 mls. Guys were taking 5 of each, 5 of these and 5 of these. Bei ya kamoja maybe ni hivyo na 200 ama 250. Let me check. Let me see. For 60 mls. Kamoja na 300 for this. Design ingine ya soda dispenser ni hii. Looks like that. This one is a bit cheaper than the other one. The other one was 1800 because it was double. This one is single, so 800 for this one, and then the other one is 1800. Alafu tumepata box ingine ya 3 tier ya silver. This is gold. Yeah. Guys, nimepata hii ya black. Hii ni ile ya what is it called? Hiyo ya T-bag organizer ya black. And then I think I have showed almost everything, the vitu zenye zimefika saa hizi, but yeah, I am super tired, so I need to confirm from the supplier side what I ordered, kama ni zote zenye zimefika. Cheers guys, and thank you so much for watching. Please come and patronize us. Jina ya shop Home Imports, shop 19C. Tuko located hapa opposite Shell petrol station Odeon, opposite another kid. First floor, shop 19C. Cheers and thank you guys. Bye.